To the nation's capital, where Ministry of State for Education Yusuf Sununu has assured Nigerians that there is no age restriction for candidates sitting for the National Examination Council and the West African School Certificate Examinations. Mr. Sununu said, contrary to reports on minimum age of 18 years, the federal government only restricted the age for sitting for Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination starting 2025. Maria Mohammed reports.
As the world marks this year's edition of International Literacy Day with the theme Promoting Multilingual Education, Literacy for Mutual Understanding and Peace, they challenge stakeholders in the education sector to evaluate the progress made so far. This conference between the Ministry of Education and National Commission for Mass Literacy, Adult and Non-Formal Education is to promote literacy in the country. But the Minister explained the issue of age limit for students sitting for NECO and WAEC exams and also tertiary institutions.
All we have been mentioning is about age of entry or admission into university. Please, we have made this clear. It's about the age of entry into university. And this is when you look at our national policy on education that says you have 0 to 5 years or the 1 year of pre-primary school before you enter into a primary school.
Leaders of the National Commission for Mass Literacy and Adult Non-Formal Education wants Nigerians to imbibe the culture of learning languages.
By embracing multiple languages in our educational systems, we are not only enhancing commitment of our learners, but also nurturing respect for cultural diversity, which is critical in a world that often seems irreconcilably diverse or divided.
UNESCO on its part assures the Minister of its plans to ensure literacy in Nigeria as it will help reduce poverty and have a positive effect on health and economy.
The literacy issue, of course, is across country, I would say, issue with the out of school program that we have, and we now done the initiative by NBEC and all the other entities also to address these challenges.
Maria Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.
When TVC News at 10 returns, Vice President Kashim Shettima seeks collaboration of traditional institutions to maintain national unity. Stay with us for details.
Experience information and entertainment like never before as TVC Breakfast takes your weekends to a whole new level. Introducing TVC Breakfast Weekend Edition, your ultimate source of thrilling sports updates, insightful political analysis, and captivating entertainment news. Stay in the know with what's trending, catch up with the latest in sports, and immerse yourself in the latest buzz from the world of music and movies. Your weekends are no longer just days off, but moments packed with knowledge, excitement, and enjoyment. TVC Breakfast Weekend Edition, only on TVC News.
Welcome back. The Federal Road Safety Corps has launched a mobile app aimed at improving road safety across Nigeria. The Corps Marshal shared the app's features when the CEO GMD of TVC Communications and other officials visited the FRSC. Uloma Onyemachi reports.
The TVC Communications team, led by CEO GMD, Mrs. Victoria Ajayi, has continued its strategic tour of partnerships with public and private sectors. This time, the Federal Road Safety Corps was the next stop.
As the CEO, accompanied by the Bureau Chief of Abuja and Northern Operations, Ayodele Ozubakon, exchanged greetings with FRSC officials, this visit marked the start of an important collaboration.
Now we are pairing with the best.
Speaking, Mrs. Ajayi expressed her enthusiasm about the partnership, highlighting the critical role that TVC Communications could play in amplifying the FRSC's road safety message across the country.
I really like when I read about the app that's coming up and, you know, monitoring crashes. I really just hope Nigerians will use it.
Exactly.
You know, so I think a lot of sensitization and possibly even showing how that app works would really be good, so that people understand that, look, it's for your benefit.
The attention then turned to the Corps Marshal Shehu Mohammed, who in an exclusive interview shared the app's innovative features. He explained how real-time traffic updates, instant accident reporting, and easy access to road safety tips would significantly reduce road accidents.
It will tell either the driver or the passenger that the driver is over speeding. It can also tell the passenger that there's a black spot while the driver is moving.
He also discussed the FRSC's heightened focus on road safety as the Ember months begin, a period notorious for an increase in road travel and accidents.
We are moving now to more of national conferences where all our commands will, you know, stage a press conference at the same time, so as to be able to sensitize not only the drivers but the general public.
The event's highlight was when FRSC officials demonstrated the app's capabilities. A live QR code scan showed how users could instantly download and explore the app. Along with the app, the FRSC also introduced a toll-free number for road emergencies, further enhancing their commitment to reducing accidents and saving lives. With this collaboration, both the FRSC and TVC Communications are optimistic about the app's potential to create safer roads for all Nigerians. Uloma Oyemachi, TVC News, Abuja.